In this video, we are going to paint a butterfly. It's a very simple drawing. So you can follow and make the drawing first. These four colors we are going to use in this painting. So first of all, this is gamboge, then scarlet, then Prussian blue and burnt sienna. Take the colors on your palette. Scarlet and yellow to get orange shade. I already have scarlet and orange shade on my palette, so I am not showing how to mix it. Dilute your colors using water and then directly you can spread on the drawing. No need to spread water first, you can directly apply the colors. First, the gamboge yellow color, then some orange shades on it. And finally, scarlet. We need some dark shades, so I'm mixing burnt sienna and Prussian blue to get the dark shade. And just after getting the color, you can apply. Just remember one thing: when you will do the body part, then don't touch the wings of the butterfly because it is not yet dry. You can wait till the wings get dried, or if you instantly you start coloring, then just leave some gaps. Let's color the upper part of the wings using the same dark shade that we used for the body part. I'm using a small brush number 2 to color this part. When your painting is completely dry, you can use a very small brush. You can use 0 number brush for giving these lines. Don't give pressure on the brush. Your lines should be thin. So here I'm giving some colors, light colors at the background too. You can give purple color, then blue color also, ocean blue color also. Mix more water and apply the color. Purple color, you know, crimson lake. You have to mix crimson lake and Prussian blue to get purple or violet color. So accordingly you can apply at your background. Be careful. Make sure that your butterfly is dry now, otherwise all these colors will mix up.